Hello, it's Dero the Barista. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the recipe of making a French press. This recipe, I tried it a few days ago and it really gave me an amazing result. The recipe is from James Hoffman. I would like to explain to you step by step on how to brew it. All we need to brew our French press coffee, we need freshly roasted coffee beans, we need our French press brewer, it's a Ganza from IKEA, we need our weighing scale, we're going for weighing our coffee, we're going to boil our water on a 93-degree temperature. We'll start by weighing our coffee beans, 15 grams of coffee beans. The original recipe from James Hoffman, he used 30 grams of coffee beans and he added 500 ml of water. Since my French press is a bit small, I've used 15 grams of coffee and I'll add 250 ml of water into the coffee. We'll grind our coffee beans. We're going to use a medium to coarse grind size. We're going to use an EK43 for grinding our coffee beans. We're going to use size 14. So we have finished grinding our coffee beans. We will prepare our French press brewer. We're going to first pour in our coffee beans, 15 grams of coffee beans into our French press brewer. Then we'll check our water if it's ready. Yes, it's ready. It's 93 degrees temperature. So we're going to add in all the 250 ml of water into the coffee at once without stopping or doing anything. So pour our water, all of it, 250 into the coffee. To just pour it to ensure all the grains are wet until 250 ml of water. At 250 ml of water, we will stop our pour. Then we will let it sit until 4 minutes. At 4 minutes, we prepare our teaspoons. We will need 2 teaspoons. At first, we will need 1. At 4 minutes, we will prepare our teaspoons. We're going to need 2 teaspoons. We're going to first use 1 for stirring our coffee. This will help the grains which are on top of the water to go to the bottom. After stirring, we will take the second spoon so that we can remove the foam that's remaining on top of our coffee. So we'll remove most of the foam as much as you can on top of our coffee. We'll let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes as it continues to brew so that it can extract more flavors from the coffee and have an amazing cup of coffee. This is one of the best ways I've tried with this French press and had an amazing experience. At 9 minutes, our total brew time, we'll prepare our plunge lid, then fix it gently, then press our plunge lid with the little force, just slightly on the top of the coffee. We don't reach at the bottom of the coffee. So I'll prepare our glasses for testing. So it gives a very clean cup, it's well balanced, you don't feel that harshness from the coffee. I would like to try this coffee with my colleague and see his response. Could I? Try the coffee and tell us what the experience.
It's a balance of the flavorness of the beans is using plus 10 barista community.
So this is one of the recipes I would recommend if you have to brew coffee using a French press. It really gives that clean cup that's really enjoyable to drink. This is my third time trying it and it's really has given me a consistent cup of coffee. So I'd recommend you to try it sometime. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me. For any questions, suggestions, leave a comment below. I'll be leaving the full description of the ratio and the recipe down below. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Till next time, thank you so much.
Welcome.